Need a ride? Hop in, man. Does your brother need a ride too? Or are you just gonna leave him? Oh, okay. Alright. Do you have a tiara on your head or something? You princess?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, okay. Alright. This is so fun! What? What? No! No, no! I wanna have fun! Hey! Leave me alone! Gosh!
Get me out! Stop the car!
No!
Stop the...
No, buddy, you're okay! You're fine! Hey! Hey, can I get a ride?
Sure, hop on in.
Oh, thanks, man. I thought I'd never get picked up.
Oh,
How's your day going?
It's going pretty well. How are you?
Yeah. Well, I'm trying to get a ride. I guess you're my way. Don't. Stop. Slow down.
Well, why? Why are you...
Don't do that.
Okay, fine, okay.
Okay. Hey, stop. Stop. Don't do that, man.
Alright, if you're such a baby, get out.
Fine. Gosh, you. Oh. Hey, you guys need a ride?
Yeah, totally.
Alright, hop in. Righteous. Here, have some Coke. Wait, what is this? It's Coke. What do you have on your nose? Oh, I don't want that. Ew. Dude, that's not good. Don't you dare take that. Are you serious? Dude, you're gonna get freaking high. Oh my gosh. We're gonna die. Why? I'm out. I'm out.
Alright, I think that's good.